Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a super cool and really quick technique for dodge and burn in Photoshop. We've already gone over a few dodge and burn methods before, but this one is a little different, and honestly, it gives a much more natural and eye-catching result. All right, let's jump in. First, create a levels adjustment layer above your background. Then click on the mask, then go to the Image menu and choose Apply Image. In the settings, set Layer to Merged and the Blending mode to Multiply. Hit OK, and boom, you've got your mask. Now change the blending mode of the adjustment layer itself to Luminosity. Here's where the magic happens. In the Levels panel, drag the Shadow slider a bit forward. Then adjust the highlights and use the midtones to fine-tune the balance between light and dark. If you check the before and after, you'll see a really clean, unique dodge and burn effect on your image. And the best part is, it only takes a few quick steps. So, next time you want to make your photos look more professional, definitely give this method a try. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, leave me a comment, and turn on the bell, ding ding ding, so you won't miss any of my upcoming tutorials.